Greetings, my dear friends. If today's joke gave you a chuckle, don't forget to subscribe. It's free, and it'll make us even closer as friends. John and Jimmy, two Army officers, were driving along a street in Christchurch in an Army truck. John looked in one of the shop windows and saw a sign that caught his eye. The sign read, "Suits $5 each, shirts $2 each, trousers $2.50 per pair." John said to his pal, "Look at the prices. We could buy a whole lot of these, and when we get back to Burnham, we could make a fortune. Now, when we go in, you stay quiet, okay? Let me do all the talking, because if they hear us use Army slang, they might know we're out to make a few bucks." "Okay, John, I'll keep my mouth shut," said Jimmy. They go in, and John says in a posh voice, "Hello, my good man. I'll take 50 suits at $5 each, 100 shirts at $2 each, and 50 pairs of trousers at $2.50 each. I'll back up my truck ready to load them on, old chap." The owner of the shop said quietly, "You guys are soldiers from Burnham, aren't you?" "Well, yes," said a surprised John. "What gave it away?" The owner replied, "This is a dry cleaner." One sunny afternoon in a small village workshop, an elderly man and woman worked side by side. The man was fixing an old wooden table while the woman mended a torn quilt. As the man hammered away, he felt a surge of determination and called out, "Tighten it! Tighten it!" The woman, usually patient, looked up with irritation. "Tighten it?" she repeated sarcastically. Without missing a beat, she snapped back, "Be content with what you have. Have I ever asked you to make it bigger or keep it up?"